Hey, good evening guys. Welcome to my video tutorial. And in this video, basically, I'm gonna be talking about a quick hack that you can do with Sys.path. So I'm gonna show you how to overcome errors like module errors. I would say don't do this in production code. Your manager won't like these kind of hacks, okay? So let's get started. So guys, I have a folder. It's very easy. I have basically a folder called as PyPackage module test. In that I have a folder called as my main, and in that same directory I have a one more folder not searched. That means this would be not searched. I'm gonna show you why. So now I'm on my main, and if I'm on my main and I want to search path.test with basically import. So if I just say import path.test, and if I run it, damn it. So and if I run it, error, module not found error. So this hack could be solved for only uh, it's only for absolute imports, not for relative imports. So what I would do is, it's a dirty hack. It's called, basically, let me show you actually, for x in sys.path, and I'm gonna actually print the sys.path. Oops, and try to run it. So here you can see it shows all the packages path, right? But that path not search is not there. In order for the absolute import to work, a dirty hack would be just append the path of that directory to the sys.path.append. So if I just did this, and then if I did import path test, so now let's check it out. Here you can see I was found. The file actually worked. That's amazing. I mean, this is a very easy hack you can do with Python, right? Now let's do the reverse way. Now I'm inside this file and I want to call the main file. Of course you can do that, right? You can just say import my main, right? Now I'm gonna run this file. Of course it did work, right? So my main, this file, it says my was found. It went to the my main and it ran that file, my main again, and then it came back, and of course that worked, because from my main I'm again calling this file again path test. So that's why you see I was found 2 times. Okay, so this is a pretty easy hack. I would recommend not using this much if it is really not working and you want to make it work. So sys.path.append is the solution. All you have to do is just append the path to the sys.path, or if you want to use relative imports, you can say from not search. Of course this is gonna work, you guys know that, right? But I'm talking about the absolute import. So here you can see it works, right? So if you just say, if you want to make absolute import work, use sys.path.append. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this quick hack, and if so, do give a like, and if you have any more questions, kindly list your questions in the comment section. Thank you.